Giga Party. Actually, it's still illegal to party.
So today we have something really big and special from Samsung.
Something very giga.
Yeah, they call this the Giga Party audio.
Yeah, and the funny thing is, this is quite reminiscent of the older Samsung 360-degree speaker. But then that one's for indoors and look very high class. This one is more outdoorsy, kind of pool party kind of vibe going on. I don't know. Barbecue party maybe.
Yeah.
And just a quick idea how big this thing is. When we're carrying it upstairs, the handle broke.
Yeah, the handle like just
It ripped out.
just ripped.
RIP.
Yeah, not a good idea to carry this thing. I believe it's more than 20 kilograms.
Yes. So you want to open now?
So before we start, we need to like get this box closer into the frame because I noticed some rather interesting selling point they are trying to highlight. Of course, we start from this part. You can see they are trying to call it with this speaker has bi-directional audio for whatever design reason.
I think you just put it at the corner of the swimming pool.
Yeah, and of course it has high power, 1500 watts. That's why you can actually use for open area, things like that. Built-in woofer. Okay, this is just pretty standard, but this thing is, well, LED party lights.
I don't know, man.
I don't know why is this considered as a selling point, but bass booster, karaoke mode, group play. Unfortunately, we cannot test it out because you need to have at least 2 of these to like actually, and I don't know if how they are going to work wirelessly or no idea, but of course with Bluetooth multi-connection. Okay, I think we are not really professional unboxer and somehow we took this thing out
Upside down.
upside down.
There's no this side up, and also looking by the side, we are opening the correct way.
Yeah, because this thing is not exactly new.
And you can see the bottom here, we got actually a handle for you to carry. RGB lights, I guess, for each feet.
I believe this is a translucent part for RGB lightings, and then you got this
Big
base
subwoofer.
reflex hole thingy. Yeah.
Yeah, time to flip this thing
Let's just
over.
flip.
Is there a different handle?
Done unboxing and everything. We got it hooked up to the power, and we do
USB
have a
input.
rather display.
So looking at the back, the I/O ports are interesting. So you got double USB ports. As shown on this little screen just now, you can select USB input and also charge your phone at the same time because this thing acts as a slot for the phone.
Can put the phone
So
here.
you put your phone there, charge it at the same time. So yeah, and then you got group play button and stereo. So this is for multiple speakers, I guess. And for Bluetooth pairing, this is another button.
Yeah, they do have LED lights.
I guess this is group play if you want to do it in analog mode because there's RCA cable.
Okay.
And then there's also 2 more microphone ports so you can do karaoke mode.
Yes.
Yes, and also look at the RGB. I cannot.
And then the buttons are actually pretty big and feels pretty tactile.
Is it waterproof since it's using this kind of rubber button?
Feels like it at least some
resistance.
degree of splash resistant because this is meant to be used for outdoors and things like that.
I keep thinking this is a swimming pool kind of speaker.
I mean, most of the time they have those swimming pool parties, things like that. But if we look closely at I don't know if the video can show or not, you see, this part is actually separated from the top. The bottom part should be the bass module, the subwoofer.
It's huge.
And they even got LED inside there.
And then horn for the tweeter.
And then this,
is
what
the
we call this,
dome.
another
I don't know.
driver.
Yeah, driver. The mid-range
Dome,
driver.
mid-range dome driver, something like that.
Can we change lighting
It's
mode?
the same thing for the other side here. I think it looks more obvious from this side. tweeter, mid-range driver, and then subwoofer.
Wow.
And yeah, we actually got different lighting modes. See this? I'm not too sure, but obviously you can see from this angle.
It's quite bright.
And they actually have demo, like press the play button for 5 seconds.
Go on.
Okay, that is too loud. Okay, this is to choose the input.
Yeah.
Auxiliary, they got double auxiliary, Bluetooth mode,
Yep.
USB 1, USB 2. Yeah, basically 5 input modes. 2 USB, 2 auxiliary, and then 1 Bluetooth. And with this is like, I don't know, like choosing the... Oh, I have no idea why they call it dance. And then this is Thunderbolt. Like, no idea. Thunderbolt. And then they got like star. Off. Ambient.
It's not really ambient.
Party. Okay, how do we connect Bluetooth?
We need to change to Bluetooth input.
So how do we connect to Bluetooth? Like first thing first,
Yeah, enter Bluetooth mode.
and it should be Bluetooth ready.
Yes, then you can see Bluetooth here is blinking. Yes.
The Are You Lost?
I am not lost. The song is called Are You Lost? Yeah, big band jazz with this kind of speaker don't really match. Sounds damn good though.
Sounds damn good.
Sounds damn good. Oh, the bass is like,
This is not even at its maximum, I would say, the volume and everything.
You want?
I don't know, like how far can it go? Oh, this is max 50.
This is not max. I'm gonna be deaf, I tell you. Okay, so after trying the Giga Party for a while, because number one, this
Yeah.
office is in an enclosed space, so we
Yeah.
cannot really turn on that loud, and also we cannot test it outdoors because I think we'll get complaints for sure.
Yeah, for sure. This is very loud. It goes up to like 50 on this speaker itself, but of course, unless depending on whatever source you're playing your music from,
You can even
you
pump
can
it
even
up
like
higher.
pump it up even higher. But this thing is, I mean, for by itself is really loud. Sounds really nice with the dynamic bass turned on.
And surprisingly, even though it is very heavily bass focused,
Bass focus.
the bass is really vibraty to the point where the entire floor starts to vibrate, and trebles, not bad. Really
Treble
not
is
bad.
not bad. Treble is not bad.
Because
I
big band jazz got a lot of treble, not bad. Really not bad.
I think the tweeter is doing its job pretty well.
Yes.
And everything. from
Amazing.
there. And I cannot imagine how many units you can actually pair them up and then like, wow, play in the outdoor situation.
Group plays, then you link up like what? 4 of them surround the entire swimming pool.
Your swimming pool.
Hey, you can create your own waves with that bass.
Oh my goodness. But still, for those audiophiles, of course, they might not really look into this kind of speaker because I don't think this is focused on audiophile kind of level quality. And because it's also focused heavily on the bass, really this is more for those party,
easy setup, easy to pack up. But one thing I really wish is some wheels, maybe.
Yeah, true. If there's wheels, right, I mean,
Just-
transporting would be much more easier.
Yes.
But I don't know how, I mean, the user group actually perceive this, I'll say this kind of product.
I don't think you leave it outdoors there forever.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And then, I think one minor oversight. Lighting modes, they don't have any mode to sync up with the music.
Really?
Yes.
Actually, this one is, they choose the light options. They have ambient, party, dance.
They don't sync up.
Oh, so
They
basically...
still light up no matter if nothing is playing.
Oh, true. So anyway, the price for this Giga Party R1 actually is priced officially for 1.8K in Malaysia, just 1.8K. Of course, you can get lower price depending on where you buy it. Of course, there are promotion sales happening all the time, and yeah, it's a really niche kind of product. It is not like any of those small Bluetooth speaker you can put on table. This is really for like, it's meant for a certain group of people. They wanted a big speaker
For outdoors.
for outdoors. Even if those people, they have their own, what do you call that, gym room or what, and then they can play music while working out.
Probably.
But God knows.
But then I think you need either very big area for it to sound good, or you need swimming pool outside.
And before that,
Barbecue.
you need to have a lot of money.
Yes. And also you need to have a big yard outside. Else it's gonna be quite a waste.
So yeah, that's pretty much sums up our thoughts and ideas after trying out this a rather exotic speaker, I would say.
Exotic. It's unique for sure.
It's unique for sure. It's the thing. Not for everyone, but there are users that might appreciate this. So yeah,
That's it lor.
that's it. So that's it. We want to share about this speaker. Do let us know what you guys think about this kind of huge outdoor speaker. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.